right, boys and girls, so here's your 1-minute activity. Repeat after me. Ready? Say monthly. Now say monthly, but don't say month. Say invade. Now say invade, but don't say vade. In. Say being. Now say being, but don't say be. Ing. Say circus. Now say circus, but don't say cuss. Sir. Say Mustang. Now say Mustang, but don't say muss. Tang. Say fraction. Now say fraction, but don't say frack. Shun. Say mattress. Now say mattress, but don't say ma. Truss. Say over. Now say over, but don't say ver. Oh. Say parcel. Now say parcel, but don't say par. Soul. Say donkey. Now say donkey, but don't say key. Dong. Okay, so the next part you need to say the letter, the picture, and the sound. Ready? K, kite, k. L, lamp, oo. M, man, Z, zebra, z. A, apple, a. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. J, jug, j. I, itch, I. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. H, hat, h. G, game, g. P, pan, p. Q, qua, queen. R, rat, F, fun, f. E, ed, at. S, snake, s. T, top, t. V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. D, dog, d. U, up, ah. All right, the next part, I need you to get your whiteboards and your markers, and I want you to write this word on your board. Ready? Write the word pig. Pig. So this is how you would write pig. Now change pig to wig. Write it underneath. Wig. And that's how you do wig. What did you have to do to pig to change it to wig? Yep, you had to change the P to a W. Now write the word big. Big. So that's how you write big. What did you have to do to wig to change it to big? You had to change the W to a B. Good job. All right, now change big to bib. Like a baby wears a bib. What did you have to do to big to change it to bib? Yep, you had to change the G to a B. Now change bib to bit. Bit. So what did you have to do to bib to change it to bit? You had to change the B to a T. Now change bit to sit. Sit. What did you have to do to the B to change it to a, what did you have to do to bit to change it to sit? Yep, you had to change the B to an S. All right, good job. So the next part, I want you to go ahead and read these words to me. Sid. And why is Sid capitalized? because it's a name and it's a proper noun. Very good. Pig, read the words. Jig, did, bib, hit, big, pit, Tim. And why is the T in Tim capitalized? Yep, because it's somebody's name and it's a proper noun. Lid, Kim. Why is Kim capitalized? Yep, because it's a name and it's a proper noun. Good job. Kit, 6, rim, mix, fix. Okay, for the next part, what I want you to do is I want you to log into Canvas, and underneath where it's, where you clicked on this video, there is a story. And I want you to record yourself reading that story. So make sure you hit the button to say record, and then you have to stop the recording and submit it. Just do your best. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.